Hey guys, welcome back to Gabe's Garage. Today we decided to come off-roading here at 5313 Off-Road Park. I'm waiting for a couple of my buddies and I got my Lexus behind me. I did a couple upgrades since last time I came off-roading. I got a lift kit, I got bigger tires, new wheels, and I want to see how it performed. He also have extended travel, so let me show you what I'm talking about. This thing flexed a lot more than the first time I took it off-roading. Come here so you can check this out. Look at how much gap is on this side. This is crazy. Alright guys, on this side you can see the tire is really tucked, but I still have to do some cutting. The tire is definitely rubbing on here in the bumper, so I'm gonna have to cut these when I get back home. Today we're just gonna test this out to see how everything works out. So let's go to the trail and let's go have some fun. So this right here is the first spot where I have a little bit of issues. I wouldn't really call it an issue if it's just that there is a rock on the right side. I don't know if you can see it. So it was spinning, and so I just had to back up a little bit and bump it, and it was fine after that. Here's the same hill. You can see it now. It's a different angle, so you can see the rock I'm talking about. And yeah, it's kind of steep. It doesn't look like it, but it was pretty steep. Okay, so in case you guys don't know, there is no Predator. It's just getting annoying already, but that's just the tires rubbing my rear bumper and the fender. I also didn't try anything super crazy because none of my friends actually could make it, and the one that make it had an accident and had to go back, so I was by myself the whole time, and I didn't want it to get stranded on the trail by myself, so I was taking it a little bit easy. Hey guys, that's it for today. We have to cut it short because I was by myself and I don't have a winch or anything. I'm really just testing the vehicle right now, but overall I'm very excited how the vehicle performed. I'm liking it. There's a couple things I have to trim on the bumper, the rear bumper, because when it flexes and it tugs the wheel under it, it makes some scary noises, but I already know what it is. So overall very happy with it. She got some dirt on her, but nothing that a good wash will do. I think I'm gonna wash it probably tomorrow because I'm tired. I don't feel like washing this thing right now, so let it be, whatever. But right here when the tire get tucked in there, these touches, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more trimming. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you please like and subscribe, I will appreciate it, and I'll see you around.